With the Minnesota Golden Gophers football team having a bye this week, it allowed the Gopher coaches to hit the road recruiting. Head coach P.J. Fleck and wide receivers coach Matt Simon stayed in town and went to go watch some badly wanted 2019 local recruits in action Friday night. And of course Fleck and Simon had to go in style. Fleck's first stop was Apple Valley and Eastview High School to watch Adena offensive lineman Quinn Carroll. Carroll is the 2019 recruit in Minnesota and has offers from literally any helmet school in the country, from Alabama to Florida State to Ohio State to USC. The one thing Minnesota has going for its pursuit of Carroll is that he is a legacy. Quinn's dad Jay Carroll was a tight end for Minnesota in the early 1980s. And don't think Fleck won't use that for all it's worth. Just look who gave the speech at the captain's breakfast before the Gophers defeated Middle Tennessee last Saturday. Fleck knows how to recruit and how to make an impression. And to at least one member of the Carroll family, he definitely made a positive impact Friday night. Yes, that is Fleck wearing a 75 Gopher jersey, Quinn's with the Adena Hornets. And yes, that is Matt Simon wearing a 83 Gopher jersey, the same number Jay Carroll wore in the maroon and gold. Fleck and Simon stayed at the Adena vs Eastview until approximately halftime, and then it was off to the next game. Fleck and Simon arrived at halftime of the Lakeville North vs Lakeville South game. While it was an added bonus to watch 2018 recruit Nathan Bowe, the main attraction was 2019 offensive lineman Bryce Benhart for Lakeville North. Benhart is the #2 recruit in Minnesota for 2019 and already has offers from schools like UCLA and Wisconsin. Once again Fleck represented wearing a 68 Gophers jersey, Benhart's number for Lakeville North. The man knows how to recruit, that's for sure. Hopefully it works and both Carroll and Benhart decide they want to be Gophers in the near future.